Namaskaram. As a part of Jan Andolan from the Department of Microbiology, AIMS BP Nagar, we will be demonstrating the importance of wearing the face mask during the COVID-19 pandemic era. The three important preventive measures to be followed are S, that is social distancing, M, that is mask wearing, and S, that is sanitization of the hands. Out of these, we are going to demonstrate proper wearing and the removal of different types of the mask. In the market, various types of masks are available, like the cloth mask, surgical mask, and N95 respirator. Out of these, N95 respirator is meant only for the healthcare workers. Public can use either the cloth or the surgical mask for day-to-day activities. Now, Dr. Sunil will be demonstrating us how to wear a cloth mask. Before taking the mask, he has done the hand hygiene. Now, he is taking the mask by using both the ear straps and placing it behind the ears. In case if you find difficulty in wearing the mask for the longer time, you can make use of mask adjusting strap as Dr. Sunil is demonstrating now in this video. After wearing the mask, now he is ensuring that nose, mouth and chin is properly covered. Now Dr. Raja will be demonstrating how to wear a surgical mask. Before taking the mask, he has done the hand hygiene. The first step in wearing the surgical mask is the determination of which side goes up over the nose. For that, feel the thick and the thin part of the mask. Thick and the flexible strap of the mask should go over the nose. The next step is to determine which is the outer and the inner side of the mask is. For this, see for the direction of the pleats. If the pleats are facing downwards, that is the outer side of the mask. Pleats pointing upwards, that is the inner side of the mask. Some masks may not have a thick flexible nose strap. In that scenario, you can look for the color and the texture of the mask for differentiating outer and the inner side of the mask. Dark color and the rough surface is the outer side of the mask. Light color and the smooth surface is the inner side of the mask. Now he is placing the mask using the both ear straps behind the ears. Now he is grabbing the nose strip and bringing it to the bridge of the nose and molding towards the outer surface. He is holding the nose strip and pulling the bottom of the mask to cover the chin and ensuring that the nose, mouth and the chin is fitted properly with the surgical mask. Things to be avoided while wearing the mask. Touching on the outer side of the mask, hanging the mask below the nose or around the neck, touching eyes, nose and the mouth, keeping the used mask in the bed, sofa or the working area, sharing the mask. Dr. Raja will demonstrate us how to remove the used surgical mask. Remove the mask only by handling the ear straps. Do not touch the outer surface of the mask as it is contaminated. Discard the mask into the dustbin which is covered with the lid. Do not reuse it. After removing, please wash your hands with soap and water before touching anything. Now Dr. Sunil will be demonstrating us how to remove the used cloth mask. Remove the mask only by handling the ear straps. Do not touch the outer surface of the mask as it is contaminated and put it into the hot detergent water. After removing, please wash your hands with soap and water before touching anything. The used mask must be soaked in the detergent water for 15 to 30 minutes, followed by washing with the hot water and dry in the sunlight before reusing it. Only wearing of the mask is not sufficient. Social distancing and hand hygiene is also mandatory to prevent the spread of COVID-19.